Hello and welcome. In today's session, we will learn how to create a 3D design in AutoCAD and prepare it for 3D printing. For example, creating a cone for 3D printing. From the top left menu, select the shape you want, in this case a cone. Choose the center point, then define the radius or press the D key to set the diameter. Next, specify the height of the cone. At this stage, your 3D model is created. You can repeat these steps to design any other object you like. For easier modeling, you can change the viewing to better visualize your design. For exporting the model for 3D printing. 1. Click on the model. 2. Click the AutoCAD symbol in the top left corner. 3. Select export, then choose other formats. 4. Finally, select the file type .stl. The STL file format is the standard for slicer software used in 3D printing. Now your design is ready to be sent to the 3D printer.